Hi friends! In this tutorial, we're showing you how to make 2 different types of flowers out of glitter foam sheets. So, let's start making the first one. After first cutting the petals, the DIYer is next using a needle and thread to gather the petals. Watch how easily she turns this foam sheet strip into a delightful flower. Impressive flower making skills! To decorate the center of the flower, the DIYer is simply using a bead hairpin. Pink glitter foam sheet for the flower and green glitter foam sheet for its sepals. We're almost done. All that's left is securing both parts together using a little bit of hot glue. Do you know what's the best part about making paper flowers? You can easily turn them into exquisite hairpins for little girls. Beautiful DIY hairpins! For the other part of this video, we're sharing with you the steps on how to make beautiful roses. The DIYer is using the iron's heat to curl the petals. This way, the rose is going to look more realistic. It's time to assemble all the elements into a delightful rose. Keep watching to learn how to do it. For the best results, the DIYer is joining the petals on a wire, which is also going to be used as the stem. Wow! This time, the DIYer is showing you how to make a beautiful gift with simple and cheap materials. The end result is going to shock you. If you want your rose to look fuller, feel free to add some more petals to it. The DIYer is using purple tulle for decoration. It's so beautiful! We love it! Last steps. Who would you make this for? Lovely details! Absolutely amazing!